Hey guys, Miram from Cryptolume here. Just thought I'd show you guys the new features that we've released for the February update, and basically I'll go through the list and just talk a bit about it, and then I'll do other videos that will actually explain a bit more in detail on how to use it. So the first one we'll take a look at is the table of events. Now this is pretty basic and self-explanatory. So it will tell you the name of a cryptocurrency and an event date, and basically tell you what's happening. So there might be a meetup, it might be getting listed to an exchange, or just certain details like that. And on the right hand side, actually, which is pretty cool, you'll get the 24-hour Bitcoin price change. So this gets updated every 5 minutes, but it tells you sort of the price that's changed for this given crypto in the last 24 hours. So sometimes you can associate an event that's coming up or that's happening right now with the price action that's happening at the moment. And I mean, you can even select your specific coin. So, say you only want to see what's happening for Neo, you can bring it up and basically see everything that's happening for Neo. So that's pretty simple, but powerful tool which you can use for your research into, which cryptos you're looking to trade in. Now, the next page that I'll show you guys is the Arbitrage price tracker. So this is still in beta, as you can see up here. So we're still testing and playing around with this. And one thing that everyone needs to keep in mind is that exchanges follow arbitrage opportunities very closely, and they will close down their wallets, if they notice a huge fluctuation. So basically, on this page, you get the name of a crypto, its current ranking, and then it will tell you the price of that crypto in all the different exchanges that we support. And through this table here, you can see the maximum price and the lowest price. So, what's the lowest on one exchange and what's the highest on another. And then you'll get here the price difference. So, this will give you a pretty large list of opportunities you can look at. I'd say to look at the more smaller ones, and for the coins that don't have huge exchange costs added to transferring, cryptocurrencies over. So that's another thing, you'll always need to pay attention to, and there's a lot more to arbitrage than what's available on this page. So if it's something you're interested in, you should definitely look into it and find out more about it first before you dive into the aspects of this page. So like I said, this is all pretty new. So if you want to actually have any suggestions or tell us, improvements for this page, feel free to email us and let us know. Now, the next page that I'll show you guys is the MACD analysis tool. So, as some of you know, we've been working on MACD in the past month, so it's taken a lot of time lately, and basically that's all complete now. So the cool thing about using MACD on our website is you can see basically what it's looking like for all candles that we support. So, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 4 hours, and soon we'll be adding 24 hours in here. We're just still collecting data for that. Now, in here you can choose, for example, ADA, and then, you can keep swapping this around, but basically, here's the information, the current MACD information, and, basically use this to see if it's a worthwhile trade that you want to get into. So we'll do another video that actually talks more in depth about this feature. So this is more so just showcasing, the new features that we've released. So that's now available and ready for you guys to use for all the exchanges. The cool part about this is there's some exchanges, for example, like Cryptopia, they may not show MACD as accurately as, for example, TradingView, or may not be available on a certain exchange. So, using our tool, you can actually do your MACD analysis for some of these exchanges that aren't supported on TradingView, but you do want the same kind of feel to it. So, this is basically what this is providing. Now, the last but not least is the new exchange-based alerts. So what this actually is, it's a whole new improvement to our alerting architecture. So previously, we used to use one API, the global market cap, to create all our alerts and calculations. Now we're doing everything exchange specific. So you can actually get quicker data more accurate statistics, and basically it's how the market's playing out right now. So it's a lot faster. It's about 30% faster than our previous alerting tool. So basically this page will give you all the information and all the alerts that we're currently doing. So, volume price increases for crypto, and then volume price increase where the RSI was previously oversold. And then you got your RSI oversold or overbought alerts, and 3 different types of MACD alerts. So we'll go more into this when I do the MACD video, but basically we'll give you MACD crossover alerts, so which coins are currently crossing over, the ones which have gone up in MACD but are oversold on RSI, and those that have just had 3 increases on the histogram. So you can click here to learn more about this page, and if you hover over any of these information signs on the top left of the box, it will tell you some information about that specific alert. Alright, so that's basically all the new features. However, guys, always provide us any feedback or other sort of features or alerts you may want to see, and we'll look into implementing those. Thank you.